It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and V6 engine. Cars Direct proclaims the GLE's beautifully crafted interior leaves you wanting for nothing. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,